You can eat it like And there's some other ones, teeny tiny. And there is a big tomato. And there's chilies. And other down here. And another one. Other chili. And the other one. And one chili here. And other one here. That's a big one and a small one. Other chili here. Other chili here. And some flowers that has chili. See? They grow a lot. Let's take out them. One. See? So cool. Guys, look at my pumpkin. It looks like it's by on the other one. There's more chilies here. And I cannot see. Hey chilies, can you come out from here? Now there's more chilies still. One here. What? There's no chilies. This is mint. And this is chilies. And flowers. And there's flowers here and flowers here. And big chili. Let me find it. That's tomato. There. And this is a tomato. Look. Already grow. And there's the other one too. You take out it. And the other one here too. Tomatoes. Guys, you have to grow your vegetables and stay healthy. Like, share, subscribe.